hon. I know this great spot. There's gonna be a lot of chicks there. We'll have a good time. So what do you guys do?
Oh, we both work the day shift at Sperry.
Really? I know Sperry's. I used to stock their vending machine.
The ones in the lunchroom?
Yeah, Kegel Snacks, right? Yeah. That was me. I was the Kegel man. I had the hat and that was me. I was the Kegel man. Listen, let me introduce you to someone. This is my good friend, Eddie. Eddie's my mentor, right? Yeah. Yes. So that means he's showing me my new job.
And what's that?
We're in the
Computers.
Right.
Parts.
Computer parts and auto supplies business, exactly. And we're just in town visiting a customer, and we just wanted to hang out.
I'm gonna go to the bathroom.
Have fun.
I'm tired.
No, don't go.
No. Have a good day. You're all right.
You first, bro.
You're all right.
I'll see you later, okay? So what are you guys doing?
What are you doing?
I want to party.
Okay.